Hello guys, it's Mr. Maya with you. Today is Wednesday and tomorrow we are going to be having a lot of snow from the western part of the US. Today is very clear, nice weather with 42 degrees temperature, colder it is, but tomorrow will be a very different story. This area you see right around here will be covered with a white snow tomorrow, and it will reach up to about 3 to 5 inches of snow tomorrow. Now I'm just rushing to pick up my kids. After that, you will hear the news. The school is closed on Thursday tomorrow and Friday. So the kids are also happy. They're going to have 4 days off, having fun in the snow. And look here, I'm going to share with you how to reset a door lock or the door code number for your door locks, a smart door lock. Then from there, you will change the code after every 4 to 6 months. Now here is how to set the quick set door lock. And you will see now, I will do it manually while I'm showing it in the video. Just bear with me there. You might need to repeat the video so you can get the better look and better understanding on how to do these things, because myself, I learned it several times and that's why I got it figured out how to do it. Here we go now. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to reset this quick set door lock and change the code. So doing this now, you see inside here, you will have to remove this, the black cupboard. Inside here, there is a battery. After removing it from this side here, where my hand is, there is a reset button here. I already did it. That's why I don't want to mess up with it. That's why. You will have to press the reset button inside the black cupboard here until you hear the long beep. After you hear the long beep, you will replace the black battery cupboard and open the door. When you open the door here, this is the keypad. You will need to press number one time and then press the quick reset button one time. You will all the keys will light green. After the light green, you will have to enter your selected number that you are going to use for your door lock code and tell to the resident of your family. That's all how you do it. Replay the video to get a better understanding. Thank you very much. Follow me. Tomorrow I'm going to post more videos.